So we have one set of building plan that was approved got wet up. Well, it didn't get wet totally. It's just like that portion that was given back by the parish council. The drawing itself, surprisingly, water did touch it, but it barely got some on it. It's just cold. The drawing is perfectly fine. How did that happen is the slab started sweating and dripping. So those are papers for printing. So it's like the water drop on top of that. The papers are quite fine because they're in plastic. That right there was a box. It was over here. The water dripped down and went into it. Nothing got damaged from that, so I'm extremely grateful that it never dropped in any of the computers or any of the machines. So all of the machines are okay. I haven't started them yet, just in case. But if it did get wet, it get knocked. But I don't see any water at all drip in it. I looked at the slab there. I did see some water here, but I suspect that it is from here, right? So water gonna blow in under this, which is okay. I'm not worried about that one. For this one, checked it. No water. We look up at the slab. No water come in. The only thing that got wet was this set of building approval, which this is just the letter from the parish council, so I'm not so worried about that. I just hang it there for it to dry, so that once it's dry enough, I'll just photocopy it, attach it back to the document, and the client should be good to go. But my sincere boy, this has been, you notice how me rugged and thing is after storm, just coming down to check the business. When I go pretty up and come and, none of that. Genuine, down to earth, none of that. We just, it's after storm. I don't have time for put together and all of that. I'm just coming here to say to Jamaica, this was a hard one. This was, man, it was rough. But for those who got damaged in the storm, really sorry to hear that. I can't complain because it's just a couple of paper that got wet. It could have been worse. So for those that actually got damaged, those that lost people, those that lost their home, I just want to say, sorry to hear that, and hang in there. We have life. Once we have life, anything is possible. We can rebuild, right? So just wanted to say that, and to let you guys know that we are here with you. We're going through it together. Big up yourself, stay safe, and we will rebuild together. And for those that lost people, sorry, my condolences. For those that lost the house, we have life. All right, we have life, and that's what is most important. We can rebuild, and we will do so efficiently and better, because moving forward, how can we now rebuild in such a way that we consider what just happened? All right.
There's no need to complicate things. Let's do